Welcome back to the vlog. I just want to do a new video just to show you that the mirror covers that I just bought, they got this kind of like BMW look on it. I think they look pretty slick. I mean, they got really close to the vent visor. They were like right there. Holy moly. But they not touching. They were right there. But it's just a cover. So you don't take the original one out and then put this one in. This one go over the original with 3M tape. So it just covered all the way around and it go to here. And then you can see probably a little bit the original down there, the white one. It's just a cover that go over it. But it look pretty slick. I love the look of it. You see it from here. I think it look pretty slick. Make it look really nice. This side and this side. I got them on eBay. I put the link on the description of all the parts that I put on the car. So if you have any questions. But man, this thing is looking beautiful. I mean, I like the look of them. They look pretty slick. They definitely stand out. It almost like got Beats headphones on it. Anyway, if you got any question about the mods, just let me know in the comment section. I need the lower, I know. That wheel gap, especially on the back. But it look worse whenever you park the car because you have to put that emergency brake. It put the emergency brake by itself actually all the time. I hate it. But yeah. But anyway, I just wanted to show you the car and how the side mirrors turn out. How it's looking right now. It look really mean. I mean, it look really nice. I like it. I like it. Believe me, I do. Every day I like it more. I'm digging the hash big time. I'm digging the hash big time. I still gotta get a real spoiler for up here, for this part here. I just haven't decided if I wanna get it the same color white of the car or if I wanna get it in black. So that's why I haven't got it yet. I'm still deciding. I took the black vinyl from the top out because I gotta redo it. And I still gotta take all that glue off because the dust got stuck to it. It got dust now because it still got glue on it. So I gotta clean the top. I'm gonna get some ceramic coating on it, hopefully this week. So anyway, yeah. Any question, leave it in the comment section. Thank to the new subscriber, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell if you wanna know when I upload a video. And until the next one, you already know.